Hey everyone, welcome to or back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a getting my life together vlog. I've been feeling so disorganized lately, so I want to take you guys along as I get my life together, specifically kind of like for the spring season. I want to clean, make some new goals, get my nails done. I'm actually running really late for my nail appointment. That's the first thing that I'm going to be doing, is getting my nails done, getting my lashes filled. They're looking so sparse. Actually just got here to my nail appointment and I'm running a little bit late. So I think I'm just going to go for some classic French tips. I want something clean girl, neutral, simple, and then I'm getting my lashes filled. Like I said, they're looking so sparse. I feel like that's just gonna be a nice little glow up transformation. Let's go get my nails done. I'll chat with you guys after. Here are my nails. They look so good. They were really grown out, so now they just look so fresh and so clean. I love the French tips. I haven't done French tips in so long. Look at my lashes. I feel like a whole new person when I get my lashes done. Like, they look so good. I get classic lashes. I already feel like my life is so much more together just from getting my lashes and nails done. I kind of had to rush through the intro, but basically I just want to take some time to get my life together. I mainly want to declutter and organize my apartment. That's like the main thing that I want to do. There's just a few other things that I want to do to just kind of get my life together and get organized for March. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Definitely give it a big thumbs up if you do. Comment below some things you need to do or that you like to do to get your life together. Last week it was dangerously cold, record-breaking negative temperatures, and then today it's like 60 degrees. I can't with the weather. The next thing on my list is just getting mentally organized. So I'm gonna go home and make some goals for the month ahead. I also might run to Target and get all the stuff that I need to declutter and organize. I have a lot of like little organizing bins and trays for my drawers. I feel like every time I go to organize, I always like need more of them. I might just get like an assortment of them, so then that way when I'm organizing, I just already have them. The cute spring decorations and I totally forgot what I came in here for. I just remember that I came in for organizing stuff. I'm gonna go get that. Later, I thought I'd do a little haul of what I picked up at Target and also some other things that I picked up recently. From Target, I picked up a bunch of organizing things, some acrylic organizing bins, some white little drawer organizing trays, and we'll just see what I end up needing tomorrow when I'm actually organizing. I just got a whole bunch of things so I would have what I need when I'm actually organizing. Other than the organizing things, I picked up a few like random like spring decorations that I probably didn't need. First is this little candle. It's just like this little spring candle. The packaging is so cute. It literally looks like a little tulip. And it smells so good. It's the driftwood and amber scent. It's actually the same scent as that candle that I have up there. That one is almost gone. I burned like all of it and I just love the scent. It's so clean and fresh. I just love it. So I thought I would get another one. This one's a little bit bigger than that one that's up there. I just love the packaging. It's so cute, so spring. I also just got these little flowers. They're so cute. Every time I go to Target, I see these and I just think they're so cute. I've killed a lot of my real plants. Like the ones that I haven't killed are like about to die. I thought this would be really cute to just kind of replace in one of the spots where I had a real plant. I love the jar and I love the colors of the flowers. I think they're so cute. I also just got these little towels. They're like really soft and I love just like the beige and white. They're just cute and neutral colored. This was a very impulsive purchase. I think I'm gonna be able to find a spot for this. It's just so cute and aesthetic. I love this picture. Like I literally love it so much. I love the aesthetic of like the picture frame, the picture, but also the picture reminds me of some of my favorite memories. If you guys have been watching my channel for a while, you might know my family and I used to go to California like every summer. We would always go to Point Point Doom in Malibu and watch the sunset, and this looks just like Point Doom. It just reminds me of Malibu, going to California, and it's just really beautiful. It just reminds me of like my happy place and some really good memories. I love the picture, I love the aesthetic. I really hope I can find a good spot for this. Next is this bag that I got from Suzanne. It's so cute. I actually just filmed like a little unboxing for TikTok and Instagram. It's this little basket bag. How cute. last spring and summer, I feel like these basket bags were really popular. I was seeing them everywhere. I feel like they're gonna be really popular again this year. And I feel like this is like a really good staple to have in your collection for spring and summer. I'll link this one down below. I love this mini one. The one that's like really popular is the next size up. I just love this little mini one, and it actually fits quite a bit in it. I could fit almost everything that was in like my big shoulder bag. I can fit my wallet, my camera, a couple lip products, a hand sanitizer. That's basically all I need. And I love that it has like the long straps. I think it's really cute. It definitely gives like the spring summer vibes. Really, really nice. It has like this little kind of like bag on the inside of the basket bag. I really love this. I think it's so cute. I feel like I'm gonna be carrying it so much this spring and summer. Lastly is this top that I just ordered from Skims. As you can see, actually I haven't even opened it yet. I just love their cotton jersey tees. Like, as you can see, I just love a good basic kind of like long sleeve tee. I saw it came in this blue color. I don't really have anything in this color, so I ordered this one. I'm actually really curious what this color is gonna look like because I couldn't really tell on the website like how bright a blue it's gonna be. I'm hoping it's more of kind of like a gray blue. Okay, this is exactly what I was wanting. I love this. Just a perfect spring, but like light blue. I love this. It's so pretty. It's almost like a purplish blue. That's everything I picked up. The next thing I'm gonna do is just kind of get mentally organized. Already starting to get kind of late in the day, which I don't know where this day has gone. I want to make some goals for the month of March and also just organize my Notion. I like to take some time, especially at the end of the month before a new month begins, to just kind of input everything for the month, kind of take some time to plan things out, add in some new dates. Take some time to just like get organized mentally and plan out my life. I just really feel like my life is together and I just feel so motivated. I'm really glad I took the time to do that. Type A person, it's just so therapeutic to me. My Notion is updated for the month of March. I just kind of added in some new dates. I also wrote down some goals for the month of March. I find if I make any more goals than 5, it's just hard to like focus on them. I just kind of picked my top 5 things that I want to focus on. This is more so just something that I want to get done, but book a trip. I don't have any trips booked. I don't have like any upcoming trips booked. I want to book some kind of trip, some kind of vacation, some kind of something for the summertime or maybe even the fall. That is something that I want to figure out in the month of March. I want to read a book. I have a couple different books that my dad actually recommended and he let me borrow, and I've had them for so long now. I want to read one of those in the month of March. One of my goals for 2025 was to read a book every month, and I haven't done that yet. Definitely want to read a book in the month of March. Invest in my Roth IRA. I've been kind of bad about this recently. Need to set up some phone calls and get organized in this area of my life. I also want to start house hunting. Honestly, there's just really not much out there in my budget. I do kind of want to start the search. I was recently talking to a realtor. I kind of want to just start looking. I feel like I'm just kind of throwing my money away renting, and I just want to see like what's out there. I don't even know really what my budget is or what I can afford, what my price range would be. So I kind of want to sit down and get that figured out and kind of like start the journey, which is really exciting. Hit 9,000 followers on TikTok. I've been trying to post more on there, so that's like a goal for the month of March. Post 15 times on Instagram and TikTok. This is one of my bigger goals to kind of focus on for the month of March. I'm trying to be a lot more consistent with short form content and just trying to post a lot more like high quality content. I really want to focus on that. I know this is more than 5, but also create my ShopMy. I use LTK a lot, and ShopMy is kind of like a new way to like link things. It's been on my list of things to do since the beginning of the year, is to create that, kind of get that started and start linking things on there. So I really want to do that as well this month. A lot of those are just kind of like smaller things, so I made a few more than 5. Those are my goals for the month of March. I know they're not really anything groundbreaking. Those are my goals. I'd love to know what your guys' goals are, so definitely comment them down below. I'd love to know what you guys are working on. It's the next day. I'm ready to just get organized, declutter. I'm just gonna go through so many different areas of my apartment. I'm really in the mood to just get my space decluttered and organized, get rid of things that I'm not using, make my drawers all clean. I'm just really in the mood to do this actually. I made a coffee. This is actually one of the best coffees I've made in a while. It's perfect. It's literally perfect. You can probably tell by the color. Buying an espresso machine was seriously my best purchase ever. I just never go and buy coffee anymore. It tastes so good at home. It's so nice. It like takes a couple minutes to make and it always tastes amazing. I'm just gonna be decluttering. I have like a little list of everything that I kind of want to go through and declutter. The main thing is my makeup and skincare. I feel like it just gets messy so fast. I'm definitely gonna be organizing my bathroom, like my bathroom drawers, all the drawers that I kind of use every day that are full of like hair care products, skincare products, makeup products. I'm always trying to find a better way to organize them. I definitely want to go through those. I want to go through under my sink in my bathroom and see if I can find a better way to organize everything under declutter there. Also in my kitchen, I want to organize my coffee drawer. Since getting an espresso machine in the summertime, I still haven't really organized all my coffee stuff. I don't know, I just kind of have like a list of like a few random things that are cluttered that I kind of want to organize and go through. It's kind of like random. I'm just gonna kind of go room by room and declutter each area that I feel like is kind of disorganized. That is pretty much my plan for the rest of the day, is just to declutter and organize. My plan is basically when I go to declutter an area, I'm gonna take everything out, I'm gonna wipe it down, clean it, really sort through those things and figure out like what I use, what I don't use, what maybe I could get rid of, what could maybe go in a different spot, and only put back the things that I regularly use or the things that really make sense to store in that spot, not just like put everything back in a more organized way. I'm trying to be better about like not keeping things that I don't actually use. I want to make all of these spaces a little bit more minimalistic. Hopefully, if you guys are needing to do this as well, this is motivating. I feel like this is the perfect time of year to do some decluttering and organizing, some early spring cleaning. It's kind of still cold outside. You're not really like wanting to like go anywhere. I personally find this so therapeutic. I love just putting on like a show or a podcast or some music. I always feel so refreshed afterwards as well. My coffee drawer is driving me crazy. I'll probably start there. Let's get started. Here's everything I got from Target to help me declutter. I love these little drawer organizers, especially with like makeup and skincare. I already have a bunch of them, so they go really well with like what I already have. I also got a bunch of these acrylic organizers. I don't know if I'm gonna need all of these, but I just like wanted to have them. I got a couple of these little ones, a couple of these like long ones, square one. I think I needed one of these the last time I was organizing, so I just got one. These are kind of nice for like under the sink, so I got a couple of these. One of these because I think I have some of these under my kitchen sink, so I thought I might just need another one. That's what I got. Here's the area that I'm gonna be starting with, specifically this drawer. I'm honestly scared to open it. Don't judge. You might be wondering why I have these beans, but these are beans that I spilled. I just keep them in here because I like to run a few beans through when I do a cleaning cycle, so I just use these ones that I spilled on the floor. This is clearly really like disorganized. I guess it's not really that bad, but I use this little vacuum to clean out the grinder. I use this little mini vacuum. I do like the plastic straws if I'm like on the go. This definitely needs some work. I even feel like this is a little messy, but I don't really know what else to do because they're too tall to like fit in my pantry. I kind of just have to like stay there. I feel like this whole area could just be organized so much better. Seriously, this looks so much better. It's a little bit later. Now I'm gonna work on my beauty products. They're actually not as bad as I thought they were. I'm gonna start with the drawers in my bathroom and under my bathroom sink. And then I'm gonna work my way towards this dresser right here. It has like hair clips, skincare, makeup, just a bunch of random like beauty products. Anything that I don't wanna keep in my bathroom, I'm gonna kind of like move to here. I'm also gonna organize this as well. That is the next project. I feel like this is gonna take a while to just kind of get everything organized and kind of go through everything. Also, do not judge under my bathroom sink because I feel like it's really, really messy. There's just all kinds of random products under there that I just like couldn't find a spot for. I feel like it's just really messy. I have all these random products here and I have like some hair products and stuff over there. I have like this thing here, which is like relatively organized. It could just be a lot better. I think I'm just gonna start by taking everything out from under my sink and then just kind of deciding like what actually use and what needs to go back under here. I'm gonna try not to hold on to anything that I just don't use all the time. done organizing. My apartment is looking so much cleaner. Like when I go to open a drawer, it's just actually clean. I'm really glad I took the time to do this. I know I didn't really do anything crazy, but just these few things, I feel like my life is just so much more organized. That's actually everything for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Definitely give it a big thumbs up if you did. Comment below something you need to do to get your life together, or just something you like to do to kind of reset and get organized. Comment this emoji if you stayed until the end of the video, and I will see you in a couple days for my next one. Bye.